Connect to power. The black line is the neutral line. This is the ground wire. The red wire is fire wire. This is the automatic water inlet. Here is the manual water inlet. The water level reaches more than 2/3. Keep the drainage outlet closed and open it only when drainage is required. This is the inlet pipe. This gauze is used for humidity sensors. The upper part of the gauze needs to be worn on the sensor, and the lower part needs to be soaked in water. Place the sample on the holder. Keep it on. Press the button. Go to the main interface and choose the function settings. Usually choose tow hide. When the device is restored after power interruption, choose whether to continue the test or restart the test. Choose EBSID temp. Choose ear temp. Finally, choose the wave range you need. Return the main interface. Next, we will introduce fixed value testing. Choose eTest set to set the parameters. Set the parameters you need, such as temperature, humidity, irradiation intensity, whether spraying is needed. Whether to enable timing function depends on the user. Set the running speed, usually choose fast. Choose exit. After setting the parameters, select Run. Return to the main interface and introduce program testing. Choose the test set to set the parameters. First set the group number and then set the conditions for each test segment. For example, set the air temperature to 50, the humidity is 50, radiation intensity is 0.55, running time is 10 minutes. Keep the spray on fast speed. Set the experimental conditions for the second stage. Set the number of cycles to 9. Choose exit. Choose in. The first stage of PT1 is currently running, and the number of cycles for this group is 9.